Hi guys, I am Sarang Anantrapur. Today in this video we are looking the information about the clinical data management, that is we also known as the CDM. What is the CDM? CDM, it is the aspect of processing the clinical data working with the range of computer application database system to support uh, collection, cleaning and management of the data, that is the clinical trial data. This is the main definition of the clinical data management. It is the aspect of processing the clinical data working with range of computer. With the help of the computer we can arrange the data. With the help of computer we can collect the data. Management of the data is done for the further processing and easily understanding of the clinical trial data is the main function of the CDM. Then what are the then what is the CDM? CDM is the collection, integration and validation of the clinical trial data, and the data in that the processing of the data is that the data design, data collection, data entry, data validation, data cleanup, data analysis, data reporting and data presentation. This is the further processing of the CDM, that is the data designing, data collection. There is a how to design the data, then after that the collection collect the data, then data entry, enter the data into the particular system, then after that the data validation, check the validity of the data, that is the data is true or not. That is after that the data clean up the data that is not useful for us. After that the analysis, analyze the data, whether the data is correct or not. After the data reporting, report that data into the particular system and the present data into the for the regulatory authority for the new drug applications. After that, the why CDM is important. CDM is important because the review and approval of the new drug that that is depend upon the regulatory authority. The data is stored in the clinical data management software, and which is provided, which is sent to the regulatory authority, and regulatory authority gives the approval to the new drug. So it is important. After that, the adherence to the quality standards and the particles, quality standards and particles. After that, the trained and qualified person platform for the data management. It is the trained and qualified platform for the data management. So it is the chances of the mistakes will be reduced. After that, the key members of the clinical data management, of the project manager. After that, the data administrator, data programmer, and the clinical data associate. These are some posts involved in the clinical data management. That is the project manager, data administrator, data programmer, and clinical data associates. These are the some posts. Basically, what is the clinical data management? It is the clinical trial information that is given, that is entered into the particular system, and this is useful for the further processing. This is the main function of the clinical data management. Thank you so much. We will meet soon.